Today I will tell you for the production possibility curve. Production possibility curve is a curve showing alternative production possibilities of two goods with the given resources and the technique of production. Production possibility curve, also called production boundary, or we can speak production frontier, because production possibility curve shows the maximum possible production with the given resources and with the given technology. The other names of PPC is transformation line or transformation curve. And PPC also called like PPF, production possibility frontier. The production possibility curve is a curve showing different combinations of two goods which can be produced with the available resources on the assumptions that resources are given resources are fully and efficiently utilized, and technology, that is a technique of production, remains constant. If we will go with the production possibility curve, then we have the various assumptions. For that, the first assumption is the economy produces only two goods like bread and butter, or you should be go with the wheat and the barley, or you should be go with the X and Y. And then this next assumption is amount of resources which is available in the economy are given fixed. And then the next assumption is resources are not at all specific. You can be shifted from one good to another good. And then another one is resources are fully employed, means not at all you will go with the wastage of resources. Then the state of technology in an economy is remain unchanged, means it's constant. And then last one assumption is your resources are efficiently employed. Now, if we will go with the production possibility curve, then for that we will try to go with the schedule of the production possibility curve like it will be on the screen. You will look at, you have the good X and you have the good Y. And good X you know very well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and good Y here 21, 20, 18, 15, 11, 6 and 0. You will see in a X you will get like the gain will be there. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. But in a Y you will see that 21 to 20, 20 to 18, 18 to 15, 15 to 11, 11 to 6 and 6 to 0. Means here the loss will be there, sacrifice will be there. And then production possibility, here you will go with any of the letter. Here whatever written P, A, B, C, D, E, P dash, you should be go by any of the alphabetical letter, no issue. Now come to the point. If the X you will get it, that is in a gain, you will go with the X axis of the graph, and then on the Y axis of the graph you will go with the good Y. Then you will see like the observations, and then you try to mark the point. X is on the 0 and Y is on the 21. Then you will go and see like X is having the 1 and Y is having the 20. Like in this way if you will go, then you will get the points, and then this point you will indicate by the other names, even no issue, that is any of the alphabetical letter, but here we are using P, A, B, C, D, E, P dash, that is like that. And del X and del Y you will see, del X means change in good X, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, like that. Good Y change you will see del Y 21 to 20, 20 to 18, like in this way. And then you look very easily near to that the production possibility curve, panel B is also, and then you see like one point F is inside the production possibility curve, and we will speak here it's the inefficient utilization of resources. And one point is there G also, you will look on the screen, it will be called unattainable point or unattainable output combination, or we can speak over utilization of the resources will be there. And inefficient utilization of resources we will speak underutilization of resources. And then on production possibility curve, whatever the point will be there, we can speak these are the attainable output combination. So these are exactly relate to the production possibility curve figure. I think you know very well now what is production possibility curve. Very precisely I will try to tell you again the production possibility curve definition. It is a curve which show alternative production possibilities of two goods with the given resources and technique of production. That is like production possibility curve. We can speak these are the this curve is called like a production possibility frontier also, and then we can speak even the other names like transformation line, transformation curve, etc. Okay.